Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I believe you're a trucker, right?
Yes.
Okay, you are. This is your truck, right?
Yes.
Since when have you been on this road?
Since 6:30 in the morning. Yeah.
Since 6:30 in the morning.
Yes.
Okay. So what's your experience on this road so far?
The experience of this road is the challenges of Nigeria.
Okay.
We are born in Nigeria and we are in Nigeria. So this is where we find ourselves. So we cannot do anything based on the bad results we have in Nigeria.
Okay.
I'm a truck driver. I've been driving for many years.
Okay.
And this is how our road has been for years now.
Okay.
So I don't need to kill myself or to bother myself. Whenever we find ourselves in Nigeria, we'll take it slow. Because we cannot complain. Even if you complain, nobody will listen to you.
Wow.
So as you can see now, we have been here since morning, suffering. At the end of the day, you see some group of men that will come out and tell you, I want to see your this, what is your tax? I'm a produce, I'm this, pay tax, and you renew your vehicle papers, show that you are paying the tax of the Nigeria. But when we are having a bad road, so it pays us, but there's nothing we can do.
Okay.
It pays us. So that is what we are expressing here in Nigeria.
Okay. Sure.
You know what I mean?
It's a pity, sir. But what's the reason why you guys follow this road?
Follow this road. Normally, I'm supposed to follow the Kocha.
Okay.
But as for now, this is the only access road we have in Nigeria now from Abuja
Really?
to Takot. Lokoja was covered by flood.